I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from
Hello, everybody, and welcome to my video today. This is Craftmas Day 7, and I have a little bit of a haul video I'm going to share with you of some new product from the upcoming catalog. I wasn't planning on sharing this because it wasn't all that much, but I'm going to go ahead and share it because I'm having a little bit of an issue with YouTube. So this is the first time I've ever purchased files to be able to use on YouTube. And I got some notification from YouTube last night that I had a copyright issue because of the music I'm using, and I purchased the music, but I don't think that I didn't do something right. So I need a little bit of time this morning to look into that and figure it out. So if you see on my videos from prior days, if something's wrong with the music or there are some weird edits, it's because YouTube has fixed something or has removed something, and then I have to look into what I did wrong when I purchased the music to use here. So I'm gonna show you the new catalog, the cover of it and the celebration catalog, and then I have a few items that I'm going to show you, and I'm gonna talk about my upcoming paper party with Pip. So let's go ahead and dive into that now, and then I'll be back with crafty videos again for you tomorrow. All right, let's dive right into this little haul I have for you. I was able to place an order for new catalog items really early because I went to Onstage, and one of the perks of going to Onstage is being able to order product even sooner than normal. So I have the new catalog here. This is the mini. It's going to go from January to April. There's lots of beautiful things in the catalog. I can't wait to be able to share more of the product with you. I have my list right there. I have it all broke down of the things that I need, the projects that I'm planning. And then at the beginning there, you saw the celebration video as well. And then those are the treat bags that I used yesterday in yesterday's video. So this is the items that I wanted that I was able to purchase. There was just a few select items from the catalog for this pre-order, and I just got the items that I knew I really wanted or I had projects planned for. So that wasn't very many, but as of December 1st, demonstrators are able to order from the entire catalog, and I've actually already placed my pre-order. So at some point, probably later in the month, I will share the rest of the items that I got. The first thing I got right here is this bundle. It is this lemon or orange. It's sweet citrus, so it could be a lemon, an orange, a grapefruit. It is the stamp set, and then the bundle includes the dies, and then it also has this really cool embossing folder. So they did something like this in the fall winter catalog, and I really liked it. I'm trying to figure out how to get this open because it looks weird. I was at the wrong end. So there is an embossing folder in there and then a set of dies. So I got that. I really love this set, and I plan on using it, for something probably later in the season. It's always weird with this catalog to get product because I'm not quite in the spring feeling yet. Like I'm still very much in winter and wanting to do winter crafts, and obviously in the middle of Christmas stuff. So you probably won't see me design anything with this until later in the season. But here's the dies. And then the dies also cut out items from the embossing folder. So you can emboss and then you can cut those items out. So I was just trying it out to see exactly how it looked. So that is the sweet citrus bundle. And then the next item that I got that is a die or a stamp set are the alphabet dies. And I love these alphabet dies. I'm already thinking about getting another set so that I have more letters to cut at the same time. What's really great with those letter dies is there's multiple A's, multiple, different ones. So that's nice. Then there was that decorative border. That was actually a prize patrol. I did not order that. It was a gift. All of these stamps right here, the next three, were gifts from Onstage. So there's a background set, the decorative borders. I don't much love the decorative borders. I wouldn't have gotten that if I was just purchasing it, but I'll find a way to use it. And then this sentiment set. This sentiment set, I take that back. I did purchase that one because it's going to be part of our paper party. And then here's some celebration items right here, the adorable owls, and then the beautiful happy. Those are both celebration items. So you can get those for free. When you place a $50 order, you get to pick out a free item, and that will start in January. Or if you become a demonstrator by purchasing the starter kit, which just means that you're getting a discount, it doesn't mean you have to do anything crazy. You can start earning those celebration items in December, like right now. So those are the alphabet dies. I really love them. I'll have another video with those, I'm sure. So what I really wanted to show you was all of the paper. So I got all of the paper that I was able to get at the for my pre-order. And it's here. I'm sorry about the shaking of my camera. I don't know what I'm doing off camera, but it shook my camera. Oh, I think I'm plugging my camera in. I think it was about ready to die. So I apologize. I didn't edit this out. So here is the paper, and this is my official announcement. I don't have any links up yet, but I will be doing a paper party with Pip. There will be, I will pop I was going to say the sign up link, but I don't know that I can get that done today since this was not my plan to put this video up yet. But so my paper party, if you're not familiar, I do a paper party with Pip every catalog. And for the paper party, you get all of the paper in the new catalog. And then you get a pillow gift, and we have a online get together where we hang out and we craft, and you get to make a card kit with each of the papers, and we will be doing that for this catalog. The actual paper party pack will be available, and you can add on product. So if you're interested in that, I'll pop up a video of our last paper party, and so you can get an idea for it. But in this paper party for this year, you will get all the celebration paper. So this paper right here is celebration paper. And I really love it. It's really cute. I got several packs of this, and I think it's going to be great for some projects later in spring. I really love that vegetable paper. I think it's super cute. So this is one of the sets of celebration paper. And like I said, for the paper party, when you sign up for it, you get all of the paper from the catalog. You get a card kit that goes along with it. And then as a bonus, from me, you get all of the celebration paper. There are not card kits included for the celebration paper, but you do get the celebration paper. And it's going to be around $55 for all of the paper in the catalog. There are like 12 different papers, plus the bonus of the celebration papers. So it's going to be a really fun paper party. And you will hear Pip and I talking more about that. I think we're going to talk more about it next week. So here's another set of celebration paper. It's really pretty. It's great. It's going to be great for spring. I really am going to love it for spring. I personally like the floral pieces, not so much like the backside that is more of like just a solid pattern, like the polka dot or the blue. I really love. It's like right up my alley. This paper with the floral images. So that is the second set of celebration paper. And then obviously all the back sides coordinate with the fronts, so you can pair those together to do your projects. So next I have some papers from the actual catalog um, in there, and these are the 6x6. I don't know the names off the top of my head because I have not been in that catalog enough to really know all of the product. This one I was not, at first I was like, I don't like this at all. I noticed that you get 4 sheets of the same design. Now I love the back, like the back of that one, the back of all of these I love. It's the fronts that I was like, not loving at first, but then once you get into them, they're actually really, really pretty. And there's a lot of different things that you could do with them. They do remind me, like they're more, I feel like they're more like pastel or more lighter, like they're not really dark, the dark jewel colors. So that is always perfect for spring. And I just like when I was flipping these over, it's like I just kept wanting to touch them because in person it looks so realistic, and it looks like so much texture on those papers. And so I kept just wanting to touch them, but they're really pretty pastel-y type of colors, great for spring. I really like this one right here with the coral and the soft suede. So those are that set right there. The next one is called By the Bay, and it is more, it goes with some of the ocean type stuff that we have coming up in the catalog. I love this sheet right here. It's so pretty. I want it to be glittery. Like, I think I'll spray it with glitter. I think that could be really pretty. It could also set a really pretty scene. And then the back of these have some foil on them, and I was really interested to see the foiling because on some of it, it's like a holographic foil, which is a little bit different. You typically see gold or silver or rose gold foiling, but some of these, like that blue one right there, is like this holographic, and it's just really pretty. I feel like holographic stuff is coming, like it is becoming trendy again. So I loved seeing that. So those are the papers that I received. I don't think there's any. Oh, there is a couple more that you'll see very briefly. But those are the papers that I received. Look at that one, that holographic. It's so beautiful. I just like can't wait to dive in and use these. So if you are interested, I'll put my master, that's what I'll do. I'll put my master sign up list for the paper party. So if you're interested in, being on the list to hear about the paper party first, you can sign up for that link and you will get the information right away for it. I can't wait for this next paper party. I always love hanging out with Pip and doing our paper parties and, putting all that together. So I can't wait to do that. And that will be out later this month, like really soon this month, like probably next week. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Please make sure to sign up with that link down below if you are interested in hearing about it. And I will be back tomorrow with another video for you guys. Have a great day.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.